Welcome back, Cyber Explorers. It's Alfie, and in this video we'll explore together with this step-by-step guide, how to back up or restore Windows Firewall. So without further ado, let's get right into it. Backing up and restoring your Windows Firewall settings is a smart move, especially if you've customized rules and want to preserve them across reinstalls or system changes. Here's how to do it using both the graphical interface and command line. Method 1. Using Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security, Backup, Export. Open the Start menu, search for Windows Defender Firewall, and launch it. Click Advanced Settings on the left panel. In the new window, select Windows Defender Firewall with Advanced Security on local computer. Go to the Action menu at the top and choose Export Policy. Choose a location and file a name, for example, firewallbackup.wfw, and click Save. Restore, Import. Go to the Action menu and select Import Policy. Navigate to your save.wfw file and click Open. Confirm the overwrite warning to restore your firewall rules. Method 2. Using Command Prompt, Backup via command. Restore via command. These commands will export or import your firewall settings to or from a file on your desktop. You can change the path if needed. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and don't forget to activate the notification bell so you won't miss out on any new uploads. Thank you for watching. Until next time, see you later.